All right, guys, it's your boy Cardi 5. So, I've been dreading pulling the trans on the 5.0. This morning on the way to work, we was dealing with a little bit of issues, drivability issues, if you know what I mean. So, that note, I believe my slave cylinder is getting ready to say bye-bye. And when I say that, let's check out this noise that it's making. Give me 1 second. So if y'all listen clearly, you hear that? That little howling noise? All right, let's step out right quick. Car still moves. For how long though? So, guess what I'm gonna be doing? Gonna have to address this issue before this issue get worse. So, good luck to me. So, probably gonna call somebody to come over, give me a hand. Cause I'm gonna have to do this shit at home, cause I ain't driving all the way to the shop. So, but we gotta replace the slave cylinder. We're gonna go with the OEM one that I picked up a while back, a couple weeks back, maybe a month back, but I've been busy, so you know how that works, mechanical life, you all know. Our cars is the last to get touched, because we gotta work on everything else. So, but yeah, stay tuned for the next update. Just gotta laugh this shit, because this shit crazy right here. This shit crazy, but it is what it is, can't complain. So, it's my fault. My fault. I made the mistake. So, you live and you learn. Like I told y'all on some of my other videos. This is what happens when you trying to rush. Now we gotta pull the trans. Yay! Y'all go help. All right, y'all, we out, man. All right, check it y'all later. All right, guys. Looks like I won't be going home. Got no clutch pedal. So we're gonna need the car right quick. Oh shit. Yep, it's gone. Gotta replace slave cylinder. Well, gotta pay this tow bill. All that brake fluid. Damn.